gosh, dude. Randomized sounds are gonna be so freaking annoying.
Dude.
Yeah? I'm not wrong.
You're not wrong. Starting with Fire Medallion. Very nice. Do you have a tracker? You're saying?
I don't have a personal tracker or anything, but I mean, there's a tracker in here that I could probably pull up. I don't know if it updates automatically or not.
That
It probably does.
is a good question because I don't actually know.
Let's see, item tracker. Can I get it off? I can't move it. Tracker settings. Enable dragging. Thank you. Should be.
Why is
when
that?
loading.
Yeah, why is that unenabled by default?
So we can put the. He's so big.
Yeah, they have
I
a
don't know where to
lot
put it.
more in there than.
Can I make it smaller? Oh, I can. Okay, here we go. Songs can be. Yeah, no. Dungeon rewards. What's that? Oh, like what things we have. I'll keep that up. Misc. What's that? No, it's all. This is all useful
Okay.
in my opinion.
Inventory.
Okay, no,
yeah,
you know what?
that's-
Inventory is not. Inventory is not useful.
A lot of that is just to see quick glance. A lot of that stuff.
I'm willing to hit the pause button. To be honest with you. Equipment. I don't really need to see either. Yeah, no, I don't really need a tracker to be honest. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm just like, this is all stuff I just usually look at. I don't know. I guess I can keep it up. Yeah, I guess I'll just keep it here. I wish I could. Here we go.
Yeah.
That's big enough for me.
Does it have to be over your game? Are you able
I can
to...
turn it into a window and drag it out, but I would prefer it to be here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't feel like putting it on my second monitor. I'm probably gonna have you on my second monitor or other stuff.
Okay.
I'm ready. Oh, I need to randomize my colors, huh?
Mm-hmm. I've got a F1. There we go.
Didn't even look at what the colors were, so we'll see. Alright, we've got prelude. Spoilers.
True.
Alright, let's go.
Though normally I think in the randomizer that would be visible. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, light arrows and strength. 120 shock arrows. Okay, those are fake.
Tunic.
How much for the Goron tunic?
200, I think. Kokiri Forest, let's freaking go.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh, dude, my my pitch. My pitch at it is crazy. Okay, we can't Navi dive. Yes, we can, actually.
You can get the hint from up there.
Oh, we have Zelda's letter. I don't know.
That's a
get
default
what?
start. The hint at the gossip stone up there.
Oh yeah.
Wait,
I
where'd
got
we
it.
get a stick?
Probably from a bot.
Oh, that would make sense. Oh, wait, you've got all of that stuff.
An ice trap can be found at the Death Mountain Crater. Apparently we have 10 sticks. That is not correct.
No, we have one.
Tracker is wrong. I can't do this yet because I don't have a scale.
Say that scoring 1500 in horseback archery grants Staker nuts. So that's good. That's dead.
Actually, no, I can do this right now.
Yeah. Ooh, did not mean to jump there.
Oh, we have prelude, yeah. That is correct.
Yeah. I'll get you some money for diving game.
Oh shoot, I forgot you needed that. Oh.
Let's see what frogs have. Frog's holding a recovery heart. Frog's 1 is officially dead.
How much does this
again.
cost? 20?
20.
Man, I feel like I'm wasting time here. Might just go market.
Hold up. Did you
Oh,
already do the
wait, you're
torch?
gonna get, no, you're gonna get a ton. Oh yeah, I have Deku sticks. I guess I can do that too.
Ooh, I don't think I'm making it to Kakariko before night.
I keep forgetting that you like aren't putting a black and white filter on your game. That's just the screen share.
Yeah, that is crazy to me.
If you were a true speedrunner, you'd be able to make it there before night. Oh crap, the Sage's music.
Oh, that's why. Yeah, I've got your volume turned up quite high. There we go. I did, in fact, make it here. There's a constant. Is that you? Is that...
What?
There's a constant cuckoo crowing.
No, that is not me.
That is my Kakariko Village music? I think.
I'm not a big fan of randomizing the sounds, honestly.
Oh, that's Navi. No, it's not.
Yeah, it'd be really funny if it was, though.
It's just this one cuckoo. Why was it going off like that? It's like someone forgot to turn their alarm clock off.
24-5.
What was that?
20 for 5. Like 20 rupees paid to do a challenge to give me 5.
Oh, okay.
I should just play with my freaking 3DS. Hook that sucker up. There's like a non-zero chance we're not gonna finish this unless we PB.
Oh, absolutely.
Like, I have to sleep.
Yeah.
But...
Oh, wait.
Got my 20 rupees back. I'll be heading out.
Let's go. Just got you 20 more.
Let's go. Can I get out of here? No, okay. Let's see. If you're able to get me even more rupees, I might be able to buy something here before I leave. Then again, it is a save and quit area, so I guess it's... Yeah, actually.
Yeah, I mean, the most important thing there is,
Spring.
yeah. Anything I can do in there as a child? Not really. Not at daytime. Do this. It's crazy. We've been spoiled quite a bit from our previous seeds of getting Song of Storms early.
Serenade of Water can be found at Death Mountain Crater.
Ooh.
Zora's Domain is the way of the hero. So far, not seeing it. I'm assuming that means adult king.
Is...
Bottom of the well is a bow. I can go there right now. Actually, you could also go there.
No.
Can you Navi dive?
No. I can't.
Yeah,